Morning everyone. Johar Vande Matram. Welcomes to you all in my project report. Krishnakant Sukla myself, I Stadium and international trainer, certified. Today's topic is design of surface protections and V training. Both are very important today's scenario because one of the depends in surface so human beings life, and second is the value engineering is the very cost effective thing. Cost objective is the terminal objective of this program is ensure zero defect and zero rework with excellence manufacturing quality and better profitability. Why surface protection is important? Because Alpha Airlines crash 1988 was caused due to corrosion. 65 people died and injured. Ford, Volvo, many others automobiles company calling their vehicles from customer in and repair and send. Government of India study of corrosions like a Jamshedpur area 8,000 crores per year expense only for corrosion study. Value engineering is the best effective value engineering is systematic method to improve the value of goods or product and services by using an examinations of functions. Value ratio is it is the cost effective and value management is a sometimes value engineering both promote the planning of delivery of project with improved performance. Corrosion procedure how to that is the nothing but corrosion is the iron oxide chemically stable non-structural steel chemical unstable structure and iron oxide chemically stable non-structures. Rust is nothing but corrosion of iron. Many automobiles company giving the customers excitement offer like a surface protection and painting like a BMW 12 years, Hyundai 7 year, Volvo 12 year unlimited, Suzuki 5 year, Tata Motors 4 years, Audi 10 year, etc. Where should stop the rust? Manufacturing process. Process, storage and handling, and surface treatment. These are the very important things inside the every step where manufacturing in the base of the product any product process storage and handling and surface treatment every stage is important or vehicles and job and any things you made. So surface protection is the very important. Surface coating like metal structures, electroplating, electrocoating, liquid painting, powder coating, etc. In the industry safety is more important. You see myself wear 3 and carry 3 like a safety helmet, safety goggles, earplugs, nose mask. Today's corona calls. So like a same everywhere like a wall painting, silver stick painting, like a floor, terra coating, anywhere in a side beside any structures painting, any job, any vehicle, any car painting is the very important and all processes the depending upon and painting process is their product life. Age recording many times looking defect generated by corner or paint chipping by corners. So lower film thickness of the edge of the substrate due to low viscosity, low edge substrate, sharp edge. So formulate high viscosity during the curve and avoid high film buildup area, avoid sharp edges, adjust curing temperatures. Zinc plating is the very important. This is the one example of the zinc plating. Zinc plating plus blue passivations 8 micron to 30 micron DFT. For white rust 12 hours and beyond, red rust 96 hours and 144 hours. If you tested application ordinary part, inner hidden parts में ये लगते हैं. Coating evaluation and control. Many types of the painting quality checking tools like a DFT dry film thickness, how many thick paint applied, MIBQ, like methyl isobutyl ketone rub test in a metals by MIBK, wrapping and seen. A paint is evaporated, so your paint is failure. Adhesion test and any other. Finally, after the training program, CSIRO is a very important because context input react outcomes. After the end of the sessions, CSIRO 1 is collected for feedback of the faculty, administrations and learning of the pupils. And CSIRO 2 after 3 months implemented by the on area manufacturing like a shop establishment anywhere, and then collected by individuals and their superiors and analysis done. So my full and final message: rust never sleeps. Let's prevent rust and corrosion together. That's we don't need to cure it. Thank you everyone.